Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we're delving into the world of mid-century modern house design, and let's learn how to incorporate this iconic style into your home. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. The mid-century modern house design is iconic architectural style, characterized by clean lines, open floor plans, and a focus on function, continues to captivate home enthusiasts and architects alike. Mid-century modern house design is a style that emerged in the mid-20th century, blending modern and traditional elements. It emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and a connection to nature. Key characteristics of mid-century modern houses include: first, low-pitched roofs. Often flat or gently sloping roofs. Second, large windows. To maximize natural light and provide panoramic views. Third, open floor plans. Creating a sense of spaciousness and fluidity. Fourth, clean lines and minimalist aesthetics. Simple, geometric shapes and a focus on functionality. Fifth, natural materials. Wood, stone, and glass are commonly used. There are several compelling reasons why people love to choose mid-century modern house design. 1. Timeless appeal. This style has stood the test of time and remains popular today. 2. Energy efficiency. Many mid-century modern homes incorporate energy-saving features. 3. Aesthetically pleasing. Clean lines, natural materials, and open floor plans create a visually appealing space. 4. Versatility. Mid-century modern homes can be adapted to various lifestyles and preferences. We hope this video has inspired you to appreciate the beauty and functionality of mid-century modern house design. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, embracing this iconic style can create a truly timeless and stylish living space. If you're ready to embark on your mid-century modern home design journey, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home decor and design ideas. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.